Okay, I'm going to show you how to install Nodus. Okay, this is just installing, but since they don't have the library folder anymore, they stopped putting it in. You have to press Command-Shift-G, and you have to type that little squiggly line, the slash, and then library with a capital, or else it won't work. And then you go to Application Support, Minecraft bin, and then see Minecraft.jar. You take it out, put the Nodus in there, but you have to rename it and do Minecraft.jar, and you're done. But I usually like to rename this to real Minecraft.jar, so you know, if you want to take this one out, rename it, put it over there if you don't like it, or delete it, and then you have to put this one back in or your Minecraft won't work. So you're done, and I'll show you a little bit. Oops, don't care about iMovie. I want the Minecraft. No, close iMovie. Go into Minecraft. Yeah, it gets messed up. Okay. This is... I don't get how I'm flying right now, but see in the top left corner, you use the arrows to put it like this, and then that. Player, derp is in player. It's funny. I like derp. Press enter to do it. Auto mine, I've never tried that. I'm gonna try it. So you do that to get out of it. Oh, it mines when you put your hand on it. You don't have to click. That's cool. And then I'm gonna try fast break. That didn't work for me ever. And don't see it. It's right there. Fast break. Okay. Where do I press? Oh yeah, arrow. See, it goes faster. I really don't get how that's possible. It doesn't work. But I really want to change this. Auto mine. Don't like it. Turn that off. Fast break. Doesn't really work. Fly. Don't want it. Fast place might work. Let's try that. Whoa! Yeah, it does. Place is too fast if you want to grief something with TNT. You want to do it really fast. You can go. Okay, well, I'm done with this. I wish I could see myself do dirt. It doesn't show, but I really want to see him go like this. Goodbye. That was how to install and a little bit about Nodus.